I'm Narayan, Assistant Doctor of the Department of Mechanical Institute of Technology. In this lecture, microprocessor and control, let us see the interrupts in 1884 microprocessor. In the 1884 microprocessor, the interrupt is a process in which control of the program transfer from the main program to the static location defined by interrupts. It is a process by which some external devices or peripheral inform microprocessor to become ready for the data communication by accepting need request. Hence, it is a signal that temporarily suspends the normal execution of the program and redirects the company to a specific interrupt service routine. Interrupt allow the microprocessor to respond to extreme events such as user input, system events, or hardware signals without the need for constant cooling. Types of input signals in the 8085 microprocessor. There are five input signals in the 8085 microprocessor. One is TAP, RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5, and INTR. The TAP is a non-maskable interrupt which has the highest priority and cannot be disabled. And RST 7.5 is a maskable interrupt. It has second highest priority, and RST 6.5 is the maskable interrupt. It has third highest priority, and RST 5.5 is the maskable interrupt that is fourth highest priority. And INTR is the maskable interrupt. It has lowest priority and can be disabled. Interrupts can be classified into various categories based on different parameters, hardware and software interrupts. When microprocessor receive interrupt signals through pins of microprocessor, they are known as hardware interrupts. There are five hardware interrupts in 1885. They are INTR, RST 7.4, RST 6.5, RST 4.5. Software interrupts are those which are inserted in between the program, which means these are mnemonics of microprocessor. There are eight software interrupts in any microprocessor. They are RST0, RST1, RST2, RST3, RST4, RST5, RST6, and RST7. Vector and non-vector interrupts. Vector interrupts are those which have fixed vector address, and after executing this program, control is transferred to that address. Non-vector interrupt are those in which vector address is not predefined. The interrupting device gives the address of subroutine for these interrupts. INTR is the only non-vector interrupt in 8085 microprocessor. Maskable and non-maskable interrupts. Maskable interrupts are those which are disabled or ignored by the microprocessor. These interrupts are either exit triggered or never triggered, so they can be disabled. INTR, RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5 are the maskable interrupts in 1885 microprocessor. Non-maskable interrupts are those which cannot be disabled or ignored by microprocessor. Trap is a non-maskable interrupt. It consists of both level as well as edge triggering and is used in the critical power failure condition. Instructions for interrupts: enable interrupt, disable interrupt, set interrupt mask, read interrupt mask. Other instructions are given for the interrupts. The the first one is enable interrupt. The interrupt enable flip-flop is set and all interrupts are enabled following the instruction to the next instruction followed by enable interrupt. No flags are affected. Disable interrupt. This interrupt are instruction is used to reset the value of enable flip-flop, hence disabling all interrupts. No flags are affected by this instruction. Set interrupt mask. It is used to implement the hardware interrupts by setting various bits to can mask or generate output data serial output data line. Read interrupt mask. This instruction is used to read the status of hardware interrupts by loading into A register a byte which defines condition to mask bit of the instruction. It is also the conditional serial input data bit on the microprocessor.